So let's go and get to the news. We do have Binance. Binance Wallet announces this. Now, of course, I notified my group. We are in 2 of these 3 coins. One of them is AIXBT. We were in this one, had some massive gains. I think our first target was like at 50%. Our next target was at 80%. We sold 50% of that, letting the rest ride. That is our strategy for the bull run. And right now the strategy is absolutely killing it. If you want to know more as far as the group, well, here you go. Send me a message and we will get you in the group today. Don't delay, guys. The more you wait, the less you make. Put your message on Telegram, trade_intuition, and ask me about the group. You know, pressure, no, nothing like that. Just ask me about the group. I'll let you know. If you like it, great. If not, you can go and find another group. No hard feelings. But I tell you what, this is the absolute best group, AIXBT. We're in this one. And we just posted this one again a few days ago, doing great. With this recent news, I think it pumped like 50%. ChainGPT, we're not in this one. Cookie, we talked about it. Just posted this one again a few days ago, doing great. Recent news, I think it pumped like 50%. ChainGPT, we're not in this one, but we're in Cookie. Cookie, we talked about it. And I think within that week, it did like a 5X. Crazy numbers. It did have a retrace and now it looks like it's ready to go. Next, we have the banana singularity. So what is the banana season, or banana singularity, or banana run? This one, everything goes up. And this is what I've been referring to the past few weeks, especially in December. I was letting everybody know we're changing up our thought process. You have to change up your thought process depending on what portion of the market you're in. I call it segments. We have the bull run, which is a part of the bull market. So you have the bull market, then you have the bull run. Of course, it's going to go up. Everything goes up. And this is why I'm saying everybody's going to look like a genius. You're going to have all these people. Oh, look at me. We've called this coin out 2 months ago and it's up in our group. This one's up 284%. Join our group. Everybody's going to look like a genius. I'm telling you. Banana singularity, up only. And of course, here's an article. I'm not going to go over the article, but basically it just says that, you know, up only. You got phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Now for me, we have different phases of the bull market. We have 4 phases and I have an indicator that does the phases for you. Makes it really easy to do, to implement what I teach. We have that in an indicator. It makes it really easy. Here we have introducing the Theta 2025 roadmap. Any kind of roadmap is very important. You have the project's doing, and if you know what the project is doing ahead of time, you can actually front run these pumps anytime. And this is the crazy part about the bull run. When there is an update to the roadmap, when there is a completion of something that's on the roadmap, as simple as a website updated, new partnerships, all this is going to move that coin. Guarantee it. If you don't, never trust me, always verify. And you'll see it too. You're going to see these coins absolutely kill it when they savant on their website or colors on their website. It's going to be nuts. So get ready, guys. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. We're going to make so much money. And if you're in my group, you're just going to make a little bit more, just a little bit faster. Not only that, but of course, no hopes and dreams or empty promises. Everybody's going to make money. You join any group right now because it is up only season. Now, granted, are we in that season right now? No, not yet. Not yet, but we will be. Right now, we're in the season to where you need to be buying these pullbacks. These are going to be the lowest prices you're going to get. Could it pull back another 30, 40, 50%? Sure can. And especially if Bitcoin does pull back even further. As long as these coins are coupled or pretty much married to Bitcoin, Bitcoin goes down, well, these coins go down. You're going to see these coins at a much lower price. And this is when we need to be buying. Right now is the time. Then, of course, the last one is Aptos. Aptos is doing some big things. I love Aptos and I love Chainlink. Chainlink is, I refer to it as the Bitcoin of oracles. Chainlink is absolutely killing it with everything that they do. You know, as far as security, as far as just oracles, they're killing it. Aptos network adopts the Chainlink standard for verifiable data. This, in my opinion, puts Aptos above any other coin when it comes to verification. And Aptos, in my opinion, you might want to check that one out too, is absolutely going to kill it. So that was the news portion of the video. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.